I am Angela Martin and welcome to number 8 Salamone Drive in the exclusive top of the range estate in Kuranda. I love this house and this property. You can see it is absolutely stunning. It's had a brilliant, bold makeover, and it's about less than 10 years old. So if you're after cosmopolitan style in a beautiful natural World Heritage rainforest area, this is a property for you. You're going to seriously fall in love with it. The boldness is everywhere. We've had a fresh repaint. These floors, the spotted gum floors, and I've got shoes on and I'm probably not allowed to have my shoes on because these are just, they're stunning. They just look beautiful and they're organic. And of course they blend in with the environment. So let's do a little bit of orientation. There, in that lovely set apart from the rest of the house, is the master with a beautiful decadent sort of ensuite, big double shower. We're going to look at that a little bit later, and a walk-in robe. And then down the other part of the house, we've got another 2 big bedrooms, oversized laundry, really beautiful bathroom. But oh my goodness, we have got a kitchen that is just amazing. And then it looks out onto fabulous back deck. So, you know, take in our fans, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We'll have a look at one of those bedrooms in a minute. But this, you surely have to imagine being able to come home at the end of the day and be able to relax in this kitchen. We've got lovely bench tops, stainless steel brand new cooktop, gas, which is just brilliant for, of course, all that entertaining. Excuse me. Sliding drawers, lovely neutral colours, and this I love. Whole house is fully screened, and we have again those sort of cosmopolitan black louvers, you know, with the little sidey bits. They look really special. But this, so you don't have to worry about little mozzies or anything like that coming in when you're cooking or when you've got lights on at night. And of course we've got these brilliant bifolds all looking out onto that brilliant deck. So let's go have a quick look at that laundry, a couple of little bedrooms, and then we'll go up and we'll have a look at that master. It's fabulous. I'm super excited about us going outside and having a look, but before we do, come have a look at the laundry. Now normally laundries are, you know, you open the door and you've got space just enough for maybe a washing machine and of course a little tub, but this is like 10 times the size, not literally 10 times the size, but it is super duper functional. And of course we've got access outside to hanging up your washing, so you can have all your utilities here, and it is just super functional. Built-ins, all the rooms, including the laundry, have built-ins with shelving, all tiled through, so you can put all your bits in there. We've got a separate toilet, and this is a really beautiful main bathroom. Bathroom. Now the bedrooms again are they feel bigger than your average bedroom. And I did mention when we were in the laundry, the fact that we have got built-in robes, plenty of space for hanging or for storage, but they have just views out to the garden. Beautiful 1 acre, as I said, of natural tropical rainforest. But this is like a little fairy princess bedroom, and shouldn't keep going on about that laundry, and I really shouldn't keep going on. Whoops, I'll go this way, sorry. Shouldn't keep going on about that kitchen. And then of course we've got another bedroom in here. Again, same, it's like a little baby mirror image. We've got complete fly screens and built-in robes and fans. So again, the house really does have plenty of storage. I'm going to meet you up at the master ensuite. Come have a look at the decadent master ensuite. Now, luxury and relaxation is everything if we have hectic lives. Beautiful big room. We have, I'm very excited about this ensuite, and I've actually put a little candle on so that you can get a feel for how lovely it would be to have a shower at the end of the day. We have a walk-in robe there. I'll pop the little light on so you can see. Plenty of space. This is just a little bit special. It's like an effect paint, and it just, again, you know, you can imagine dim light at night. It really would just add to the whole ambience. Big walk-in robe, beautiful big bright light, LEDs throughout the house, so very energy effective. Hanging space, storage space, plenty of room for all your shoes and your bits and your bobs. But I'm not going to put that light on. Can put the light on, but I'm not going to put it on just now. I want you just to go in there and have a look. We have mirror tiles, we have black gloss tiles on the walls. We have a shower that has double heads on it, and a little bit of a separate cubicle just here as a toilet. It really is just luxurious, and it's sort of sparkly. I love it. Just come in and have a look. So I hope you just love that little candle. It's, you know, we've got plenty of space here for little towels and fluffies. They're very gorgeous. They don't come with the property, but you know what I mean. These are great, and it is such a little thing, but having that candle in the little brass container smelling of just like vanilla and mandarin is just lovely, and a really romantic sink, not your common garden, you know, clinical. It just has really lovely lines. And then before we head back out, just check out that shower with those fabulous 2 double heads. It's brilliant. The servery, but how brilliant was that master bedroom? Just, as I said, relaxation plus. Now, little servery area, fantastic back deck, and I'm in here, chop, cooking, chatting, and I am looking out at, as I said, approximately 1 acre of just really natural rainforest backdrop. There's just no words to describe how beautiful that back boundary is. It really is stunning. But we're gonna have a quick look at that spa, because when we talk about relaxation, that is what we dream of. Now, we're all like, I have to say, we've got little sprinkling of rain, and the wet season in the wet tropics in Kuranda is joyous. We have got bright sun, sparkly bits, and then we have clouds come over, and then we have rain on the roof, and the whole sound and the whole smell is just special. It is seriously special. So come in here. this is the sunny part, and of course we have the shaded part there under the roof. But I have to do this. How good is that? Unbelievable. Now, I think I haven't counted the seats, but I'm sure you can get 2 people or 1, 2, probably 4 or 5 people in there if you wanted to, but it is just brilliant. And of course we can just relax here. We've got a stainless steel wires which look again really cosmopolitan. The tree ferns excuse me, are just they're beautiful. They really are. So we've got tree ferns in the spa, rainforest backdrop, looking at the stars. What else could be better than that? I mean, genuinely think about it. There's nowhere else in the world, well there probably is, but very few places in the world where you have that luxury. And just a little baby quick bit of orientation when we come up the back. When we come out of the laundry, that was where we were hanging up our washing, and we've got another little baby balcony just there, and of course steps down to the garden. So let's just have a bit of a quick look around the garden. I loved us doing that 360-degree view just so that you could see that we have literally got that blanket of rainforest trees all the way around us, so it's 100% private. Little area there if you wanted us to put our barbecue, and lovely little water plants, a barbie here, you can put your barbecue there, but the deck is seriously big enough for entertaining. And of course we've got that spa just there. I'm going to do a little baby wrap up, but before I do, the colour of the house, I mentioned at the beginning, super duper bold, super dramatic, but this colour has been specifically created to reflect Quondong, which is beautiful, great big tall tree with beautiful blue fruits on it, the blue of the Ulysses butterfly, and so many of the other blue elements in nature. A peacock. It's a special colour. You cannot buy it off the shelf. So a lot of thought has gone into making it a special cosmopolitan rainforest retreat. So why would you buy the house? Why would you live in this area? Well, it is just amazing. If you commute to Cairns, location is brilliant. Top of the range is not very far to Smithfield. You've got Bunnings, Woolworths, great big shopping centre, movies, and yet you drive up the hill, as we call it, the locals, and you have all of this. And of course, brilliant makeover. House is steel framed, it's less than 10 years old. And we have louvers, we have screens, we have balconies, we have decks, we have got a garage at the front. It really is just an amazing, amazing property. So give me a call, Angela Martin, 0403 788 187. Visit the website, AngelaMartin.TV. This could be your new home. I look forward to meeting with you.